The biggest opportunity has returned with a very new phase launch of a villa and townhouses. Last time we have seen phase 1, which is a 3 BHK villas. This time I came up with a 4 and 5 BHK biggest villas and townhouses at the very heart location, mesmerizing and breathtaking view of Somatne Fada. This is Rajni Sharma from Aura Excelente. This time I am coming up with something very beautiful, very amazing, what you always asked for. 4 and 5 BHK, biggest one. Let's have a look. Somatne will witness one of the most luxurious landmark coming up next to your Mumbai-Pune Expressway, which is a very beautiful connectivity towards your Mumbai-Pune both. This location is well connected with the Hinjewadi IT Park, new upcoming WTC, Eon and many more. From the 30-meter wide road, one side is going towards your Hinjewadi, one side is going towards your Mumbai-Pune Old Highway, and you can also connect to the expressway in 5 minutes drive. These are the two double-heighted entry and exit. As you enter, on your left-hand side, you'll find a Club Villaggio, which is a double-heighted Club Villaggio with a very beautiful resort theme. In between, there is a central boulevard which is 150,000 square feet with swimming pool, cabanas and kids pool as well. If you see, this whole theme is a tropical theme designed. In middle, you have an amphitheater, then your kids play area and your multi-purpose court, then your walking track and jogging track over there. All the amenities would be catered for all the generations here, for all the 3 generations, kids, adults and senior citizens. You have a hassle-free life in this Supreme Villaggio. In this 16-acre, there are in total 216 villas and townhouses. Again, these are the phase 1, which has 75 row houses of a 3 BHK, which is again all sold out. Only 4 units available, which is a garden units and very exclusive. If I talk about the current scenario, we are launching 4 and 5 BHK, which is again a beautiful townhouses and twin villas. These are the 5 BHK ones, which is again facing the open space and amenities, and these are the 4 BHK where you are looking at the future development. This is the 4 BHK. It's a townhouses, again facing the open spaces and amenities, which has a huge distance between two. In between, there are yoga deck, meditation zone. All these amenities has been planned for it. Here we have around 44 units to sell of a 4 BHK. If you see the twin villas, these are the 4 BHK twin villas, which are very limited and exclusive. Only 22 which is available. Hurry up guys, it's very limited edition. We are already going very fast. This is actual 5 BHK villa, twin villa, where you can get one side is your car parking area for the 2 covered car parks. One side is your garden space where you can plan a small garden over here as well. Let's have a look at the 5 BHK show villa. As you enter, you will find a humongous, beautifully designed living and dining space, which is designed in a rectangular and squarish shape. You can plan your 8 to 10 seater sofa set with the coffee table and the TV unit over here. Living area के साथ मिलता है आपको एक beautiful humongous sit out space, जहाँ पे आप अपना एक coffee table plan कर सकते हैं. इसके साथ आपको मिलता है इतना बड़ा space, वो भी amenity view के साथ. यहाँ पे आपका आ जाता है boulevard space, which is again your amenity as I mentioned in the model. सामने आ जाता है आपका swimming pool and all. So very exotic and resort theme वाली feeling आने वाली है आपको इस विला में. This is your spacious kitchen with C-shaped platform, hob chimney, upper cabinets and the lower cabinets, water purifier to it. very spacious cabinet. Mostly people have problem with the kitchen, but again, in this 5 BHK we have taken care of all the things. Kitchen बहुत बड़ा दिया है. And for the fancy people, you can also design bar counter like this. Kitchen के सामने आपको मिल जाता है एक बड़ा सा dining space where you can plan your 10-seater dining as well. Plus, these are the cross-ventilated windows for your kitchen as well and for your dining space. Plus, on your right hand side, you will be finding a servant quarter with servant toilet as well. Left hand side, one washroom. Have a look at it. Next to your living area, आपको मिलता है एक staircase ऊपर जाने के लिए to access all your 3 floors. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आपको मिलता है लिफ्ट. आज मैं स्टेयरकेस से नहीं जाऊंगी, आज मैं जाऊंगी लिफ्ट से. आप भी कर सकते हो. आपको मिलता है एक प्रोविजन लिफ्ट का. वी आर एट फर्स्ट फ्लोर ऑफ दिस विला. मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आपको आता है एक बड़ा सा मास्टर बेडरूम विथ वॉक-इन क्लोजेट अटैच टू इट एंड द वॉशरूम विथ ब्यूटिफुल बिग सिट आउट स्पेस जो आपको फेसिंग है एमिनिटीज. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आता है एक स्टडी रूम विद सिट आउट फेसिंग अनदर साइड एंड अ किड्स प्ले एरिया विद द वॉशरूम अटैच टू इट. फर्स्ट विल सी दिस मास्टर स्वीट. लेट्स हैव अ लुक. ये मास्टर स्वीट को देख के आपके दिल में क्या ख्याल आता है? दिस इज समथिंग वेरी एस्थेटिक मास्टर बेडरूम. सिर्फ ये आपका बेड स्पेस है. आप अपना मिरर स्पेस है क्या प्लान कर सकते हैं. एक स्टडी टेबल एज वेल यू कैन प्लान. दोनों साइड में आप अपना टेबल्स रख सकते हैं, टेबल लैम्प, बेड स्पेस, किंग साइड बेड आप इजीली प्लेस कर सकते हैं. इस साइड आता है आपका एक वेरी बिग साइज वॉशरूम. You can also plan your bathtub inside. We are not giving it because everyone has their different choices, but we have kept a space for it. Again, huge humongous space for your vanity space and the basin area. You can also put his and her separate basin over here. That side is your whole closet space. Ample of space to design your clothes, shoes, whatever you want to keep in your master suite. This side you also have one big size window. That side is your sit out space. मुझे टॉयज बहुत पसंद है और ये किड्स बेडरूम भी. आप भी ऐसा किड्स बेडरूम प्लान कर सकते हैं for your 2 kids with the 2 beds and closet space attached to it. Again with the washroom. This is the one of the biggest master suite what you'll be getting. This side whole is a bed space, sit out area and washroom attached to it. There is a that side there is a closet space, big sit out with the couches. You can also place these things like that. सेकेंड फ्लोर पे आपके 2 बड़े मास्टर स्वीट्स आ जाते हैं. मास्टर स्वीट्स के साथ आपको मिलता है एक बड़ा सा रनिंग बालकनी with a very beautiful mesmerizing hill view and open space to see outside. And this is the construction which is ongoing, so you can see that this is the 5 BHK which is in making and already made. So the hint is like that possession you might be get very soon. As per RERA it's 26 for a 5 BHK. For a 4 BHK it's 27 again, but as per this builder's track record they only complete this project in 30 months time, as this builder has done 70 plus projects with proper track record of 30 to 35 months. Never delayed one single project. विला 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 लोग क्यों लेते हैं? ये उसका एक सबसे बड़ा रीजन है विच इज प्राइवेट टेरेस. वो भी अपना प्राइवेट टेरेस, नॉट शेयरिंग, नॉट शेयर्ड. लेट्स हैव अ लुक. वाओ 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 वाओ, कितना खूबसूरत है ये. देखो ये पहाड़ जो है एकदम लोनावला वाली फीलिंग देती है ना, क्योंकि इसका सी लेवल और लोनावला का सी लेवल दोनों सेम है, बिल्कुल सेम है. Air index quality is superb again, and third thing is no noise. Proper एकदम वो भीड़ भाड़ से दूर, कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं, कुछ नहीं. You can easily access to Baner, Hinjawadi, 15-20 minutes drive only. ये इंडिपेंडेंट विला आपका भी हो सकता है. होप यू लाइक दिस शो विला. अगेन, I have options in 4 and 5 BHKs recently launched. Currently, it's in a pre-launch. Price at 2.55 CR for a 4 BHK villa and 5 BHK villa starting with 3.80 CR all inclusive. Again, for first 15 customer, there are some offers going on. I would say please contact on the given below number and make sure you will visit the site as soon as possible because inventories are going so fast. Thank you for watching this. Please do like, subscribe our YouTube channel and go to our Instagram as well and follow us. Thank you.